How to fix account switch show log into existing account. So if you want more simple tutorials like this, please subscribe and click that bell button icon on for more videos like this. So as you can see here, if you want to switch account, you have two options, such as create new account and log into an existing account. So there are ways to show that we can log in from your existing accounts or your other accounts without inputting other credentials such as your username and password. So as we can see here, we have our account. So what we are going to do is just click on the three red buttons here and click on remove to remove the account, and then you are able to add more accounts and show if you want to log in from Instagram so that there will be no more hassle. Hope this helps and see you on the next video.